Hello guys, this is your boy SBac here, and in today's video guys, we are going to talk about the most important parameters if you have a robot, your robot must have, or if you have intentions of buying a robot. Guys, don't just allow the sellers or the robot creators to sell you any robot that makes profit and you cannot have control over the parameters. It is putting your money at risk. All right. So today's video, I'm going to show you the parameters that they are crucial. You must have in your robot in order for your robot to be successful or to be able to adjust or readjust your robots in seasons and in periods that will help you to be profitable in those times or to adapt your robot to different strategy. Okay, so guys, if you're excited about this video, I can't wait till we dig into it. Okay, so let's do it. Hello guys, this your boy SBac here. As I've already said, I need to give this announcement as always. So guys, listen, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, please make sure that you do subscribe to the channel. All right, and during the course of the video, if there is something that I said that is not clear, all right, and you want me to put more emphasis on, you want me to expatiate it very well, you want me to explain it very well, guys, let me know in the comment section. All right, thank you very much guys for your time. Having said that, let's go right straight into the video. Okay, let's sign in. Okay, so guys, this is one of my favorite robots. Okay, trading right now, and you can see the robot has taken a trade, okay, on Bitcoin, and we are in profit right now. Okay, we are in profit right now, and it has taken the trade on Euro USD. Okay, and you see we were almost about to hit take profit. So robots can trade for you and they can make profit for you, but it's all about, can you understand the robot? Can you set the robot? Can you set the robot in a way that it will become profitable? These are the things that guys you need to know, and that is my goal here on this channel, to help you guys to be able to set your robots that you buy. First of all, buying the right robot with the right parameters. Secondly, so that you can adjust the robot to be profitable to you. All right, now, so let's go straight into the parameters and look at what we want to talk about here. Okay, properties. Now let me say something guys. As you can see, the algo trading is on. That is telling you that it is robots that are trading. Okay, robots are currently trading, so that is it. Just to let you know that, you know, I'm not just telling you anything that I don't know. All right, so guys, let's look at the most important. As a matter of fact, I love this robot a lot because the parameters, it encapsulates all the parameters that you need to trade your personal money. All right, in this video, we are talking about robot that can help you to trade your personal money. We will do another video. We will explain parameters that are important for you to trade prop firms. All right, you will need them to trade prop firms. Okay, so you will need the magic number. Okay, it's not, magic numbers are important. I was about to say it's not important. Okay, now let me explain why magic numbers are important. What is a magic number? Magic number is when you want to use the robot on different pairs but in different time frames. Okay, so maybe let's say I'm using the robot on Euro USD, or just like right now, okay, I'm using the robot on Bitcoin Euro USD. Okay, this robot here can trade everything for you with the setup that I've given it. Now I'm using this robot on Bitcoin and on Euro USD. Okay, now they are currently trading on the same time frame, 15 minutes time frame. Okay, now imagine they are currently trading on the same time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame. Now, if they are trading on the same time frame with the same parameters, I don't need to modify the magic number. I can even keep it like that. But magic number comes in handy when I want to use the same robot on different pairs. They will be trading in different time frames. That is where I will have to, and I must modify the magic number. I must change it, okay, so that it won't clash. If, as I was saying guys, if you don't understand anything, comment in the comment section. All right, so You just come here and you modify the number. Put any number that you want in there, all right? Okay. Then the comment section too is important. Why is the comment section important? The comment section, if you don't have it in your robot, it's okay. It's not something that really matters that much, all right? But it matters in the case when you want to keep track of the trades that the robots took, okay? Because it could happen that maybe you and your robots are trading on the same platform and on the same account at the same time. It's possible, all right? Right now, as my robots are trading, I can open a trade, okay? So how can you distinguish between your trade and the robot's trade? And sometimes too, you can have two robots trading on the same account, two or more robots trading on the same account, all right? So how can you distinguish which robots took this trade? All right, that is where the comments comes in handy. So you can call it this time you can call it Black Panther, Black Panther, okay, Black Panther robots. Okay, there you go. All right, then you press OK. Then the name will remain there. So anytime the robot takes a trade, here in this area, you can add a parameter to it. That parameter will show you the comment section. And in the comment section, it will add a row to it. That row will be dedicated for the comments, whereby you guys will see that, oh, this robot took the trade, and the name that will be assigned to the robot will be written there in the comment section. So you can write the name of the robot there, or you can write any other name that you want, all right? Now, broker time zones, these two are important. If your robot's time is not synced with the broker's time, it will not be taking trades in the appropriate time. That could be a detriment to your account, you see? And you don't want to put your account in a place that it is taking trades or forcing to take trade when it cannot, all right? Imagine, let's say, your robot is trading 3 hours behind the broker's time, and it's on Friday and the broker is closed, okay? It's 11 or 10 p.m. and your broker is closed, and the robot's trying to take a trade. Broker is closed. Why would the robot take a trade? You see? So that is why it's important for you to have the offset, okay? So that you can set these parameters. Sometimes this one too is okay, all right? Sometimes the person who sells you the robot can say that, oh, it's automatically syncs with the robot's timing. Fair enough, all right? In that case, leave it to it. As a matter of fact, when it's in that case, it saves you a lot of time. You don't always have to come and manipulate it, change the parameter when the season changes, okay? Another thing that is very, very important is your risk management settings, okay? So your lot size, okay? Or here you can set either you want a fixed lot size, okay? That means you will determine which lot size the robot should use all the time, every time it takes a trade, okay? And I won't explain this other parameters to you because this one is based on the equity and this one is based on when you have 1,000 equity, all right? Now, these two doesn't matter much. What matters is this one and another parameter that is not here, all right? This one is fixed. So in other words, the robot, you see, now the robot is having small money here because it is currently trading with a lot size that is 0.2 because I set it that way. You understand me? You see 0.2 and the other one to the Bitcoin 2 is 0.2, all right? Because I set it that way and I want it fixed that way. Why? Because I want my robots to trade as human traders, okay? I want my robots to trade as human traders. So the other parameter that is important that is not here is a parameter that is called AutoLot. In other words, when you set your robot to AutoLot, now this second parameter here doesn't matter anymore. Why? Because when it's set to AutoLot, now your robots will be growing your will be increasing your lot size based on the amount of capital or balance that you have. Okay, so there is a mathematical equation under or in the script, in the software, okay, that every time that your account reaches a certain figure, then the robot will increase the lot size. Okay, I won't explain much about that. There is a pro, and it has its pros and cons, all right? But I like to have my robots trade like a human trader, okay? And I want to be the one to decide when to increase my lot size, not when the robot should increase the lot size. Let's assume if something should go wrong and the robot randomly, after making a huge amount of money, the robot throws your lot size to somewhere. You understand me? It could jeopardize your account, all right? The spectrum, because sometimes certain robots at the beginning, you won't see that they have some erratic attitudes, okay? Unpredicted attitude, okay? You get to find it like after months, okay, guys? Now, simultaneous trade allowed. Now, you can set your robot to stack trades. I don't want my robot to stack trades. I want my robot to open one trade at a time. I can tell the robot right now to take 100 trade, and it will do it. When it finds the right setup, it will open 100 trade, okay? Based on some other parameters. Sometimes they give you other parameters, the distances in which it has to open these other trades, okay? Yeah. So I wanted to open one trade at a time because, as I told you, I let it trade like a human trader. Maximum, sometimes I go by 2 trades at a time, okay? Now, here too, you have the spread control. Is very, very important. The spread control, because the spread changes. So you want your robot to take the trade in the conditions whereby the spread is good, all right? So here you can turn it on or you can turn it off, okay? But the most important thing is that you have the spread control, okay? Sometimes they may not give you the on and off, but when the on and off is not there, that simply means that you just have to put it at 0 and it doesn't consider anything, all right? So spread, very, very important. Here I have it in points, okay? And this is in percentage, okay? So you choose either of which one of the two suits you best, all right? I prefer the points because then I translate it into pips and that's all. So this one too is crucial. This is one of the must-have parameters in trading your accounts, all right? Your stop loss and your take profit, okay? So here I have my robot at 225 points, okay, which is 25 pips, okay? And here, this one is my stop loss, and my take profit is 700 points, making it 70 pips, all right? So you want to have control of this parameter. You want to have this parameter in your robot. Why? So that you can decide the risk to reward ratio, okay? Whether you want to go in for a trade of a risk to reward 1:1 or 1:2 or 1:3, all right? In my case, I'm going in for a risk to reward around 1:3. Do you understand me? Yeah. And the unit is in points, okay? And the break even is not that necessary. If you have a robot that trades your personal account, the developer of the robot doesn't give you this parameter here, the break-even parameter. It doesn't really mess up the whole thing. The most important thing is that you have your stops and targets, okay? Some other developers call it your stop loss and take profit target, all right? That is why I was trying to figure it out. So this one here, the stop loss and the take profit target, is a must have in your robots, okay? Because it can even adapt, it can even help you to turn your robots into different typeristic of trading style, trading method, okay? Break even It's important, but not all that important. So if you don't have it in your robot, don't worry. What does break-even means? Break-even means that when your robot goes into positive, let's say it goes into your direction for 30 pips, then you tell the robot, bring my stop loss from negative into positive, into this point, into this position in positive. So this is what you basically do. This is what you are basically having here. So if the market goes in your direction and it reaches 30 pips, rightly put, all right, then you move the robots to 2 pips. You move my stop loss. You are telling the robot, you move my stop loss from wherever it was located. In this my case, my stop loss is at 250 points. Okay, so 25 pips. So you move it from 25 pips negative into 2 pips positive. We are trading risk free. Okay, this only happens when you have the break even turned on. Sometimes you don't have this parameter, but it doesn't matter. Okay, the turning on, the enabling parameter, it doesn't matter. So this can only happen when I have this parameter turned on and I have these 2 parameters set, the trigger point and the position where it should move my stop loss from the negative to the positive. When is this break even important? This break even is important when you want to, simply put, you want to trade risk free. All right. Now, the other important parameter, okay, it is important but not all that important, okay, is the trailing. Just like the break even, okay, it is important equally as the break even. All right, so the trail is important in the area whereby you want to save some money. Any little amount of money that you make, you want to stack in your balance. Any little amount of money, you just eating any little amount of money, you're just telling the robot that any little amount of profit that you make is okay, lock it in. All right, so it's just a matter of locking in little profits, chopping in your account little profits. All right, so you have the trigger point. So we are saying that when the market reaches 40 pips, then at this distance, okay, this is the distance from where the market is right now. So if now the market is at 40 pips, then bring my stop loss from negative to a 20 pips below where the market price currently is. So it will count 200 pips from where the market is right now, from the position it triggered it low. So it's not going to count 200 points. It's not going to count 200 points from your entry position. It's going to count 200 points from where it was triggered at the 400 points, 40 pips. It's going to count 200 points from the 400 position down. Okay, so it's like subtracting 200 from 400 and you put it there. That will be the position. Okay, then you have the trail step. Now, if you're someone who likes to lock in profit, if you are a fan of trailing, then you want to, when you're buying the robots, if you like this concept of trailing, then if you are buying a robot, then you want to first ask the provider if in the parameters there is a trail. If not, then you can't do that. You can't be locking in, chopping in your account little pieces amount of profit. All right. Now, what is this the trail step important for? The trail step, you are trying to tell the robot that, you see, now I have it at 200 points. Okay. Now you are trying to tell the robot that, okay, when at 400 points, when you trigger, bring my stop loss to 200 points below. Okay. Then with the steps, 200 steps, you are telling the robot that every time you move forward 200 pips, bring my robot 200 points, okay, 20 pips. Every time that you move forward 20 pips, bring my stop loss to 20 pips. You move forward 20 pips, bring my robot to 20 pips. You move forward 20 pips, bring my robots forward to 20 pips. Okay, so that is how you are locking in little by little the money. And this robot in particular does it very well. Guys, it's incredible that this robot knows how to do the job very, very well. Okay, so your trail step points. Okay, if you're a fan of trailing stop loss, then you will need this parameter. Okay, what else? Let's move on. Here we have the time. Okay, this one too is important, but it becomes more important when you are trading, you are using a robot on a prop firm account. Okay, if you are using it to trade your personal account with a broker, normal regular broker, it doesn't really matter. Okay, it doesn't matter a lot. Sometimes it could, sometimes no. When does this parameter comes in handy? This parameter comes in handy when, let's say, you want your robot not to trade. You don't want your robot to trade on Wednesday because maybe the news is released, so market could go against you. So you don't want your robot to take a trade on Wednesday. Then you will come here and activate and put your robot to false. Okay, so on Wednesday your robot won't take a trade. Okay, as I was saying, this parameter is not that much important on your personal accounts because sometimes in the code, you know, the creator sees to it that your robot doesn't trade in high volatile moments of the market, all right, or in periods when trades news are being released. Okay, so yeah, when you're trading your personal account, this is not that much important, but if you have it, it's a plus. I told you this is very, very important when you're trading prop firms. All right, an example could be on Friday. You don't want to take trades on Friday because you don't want to leave your account open during the weekend. Then you want to put it to true. Okay, now all of these are on true. Okay, so that means I'm trading every day. All right, so you don't want to trade on Friday, then put it to false. On Friday, don't trade. You see, it's saying trade on Fridays. You say false. No, don't trade. All right, so on Friday the robots won't take any trade. All right. And the last parameter is the dashboard. So in other words, controlling the dashboard of the robots. All right, the fonts, the pixels, the fonts, how you want to see the size of the text and all of that. All right, so this parameter here is for these things you see here. Okay, a lot of robot creators put this parameter here because maybe not everybody, you know, some people have eye problems and all those kind of things, so you may want to fix your text in a different way, you know, different size, different color and all of that. So most of the times you have this parameter in. Okay, not always do you get it in certain robots. Okay, sometimes some robots can have all the other parameters but not have this. Okay, so if you have eye problems, then you need this, then you must first ask the developer if they have it in their robots. All right, if not, I don't know how it's gonna go with you. All right, so guys, my last verdict on this whole thing is the most important parameters that you guys need is the magic number, which is always provided in robots. The risk management is a must. Everything that I said in the risk management, you need it. All right, the number of trade and the auto lots and the fixed lots and your lot size management is a must have. All right, so your magic number, your time zoning, if they give it to you or if it is in the code. All right, your risk management, spread control, stop loss, and take profit targets. Okay, these four things are a must for you to be able to trade profitably with your robots on your personal accounts. All right, so guys, I've brought the video to an end. If there is something that you didn't understand, guys, make sure that you let me know. All right, anything that wasn't clear, you want me to explain it very well into details, put it in the comment section, and I'll come through and I'll help you. All right, guys, make sure that you follow me on all my social media platforms. If you did enjoy this video, please do me the favor to put a like on the video and subscribe to the channel too. Guys, I thank you very much for your time. I will catch you in the next video. If you want me to do another video whereby I review another robot, guys, let me know and I'll be more than happy to do these other videos for you. All right, let me know in the comment section whatever thing you want me to explain about robots. Put it in the comment section and I'll have time to do that. Guys, share this video with other people who are in the robots and the forex niche, okay? Thank you very much, and I'm signing out. I will see you on the other videos, and like always, I've approved this message as well. All right, see ya.